Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a curious and adventurous boy named Tim. Tim loved exploring the forest near his home, searching for hidden treasures. One sunny day, he stumbled upon an old map tucked beneath a tree. Excitedly, Tim unfolded the map and saw that it led to a hidden treasure buried deep within the forest. With his loyal dog, Buddy, by his side, Tim set off on an unforgettable journey. They walked through tall grass, crossed babbling brooks, and climbed steep hills. Tim's heart raced with anticipation. Finally, after what felt like hours, they reached a clearing where a giant oak tree stood tall. Tim followed the map's clues, digging with his small shovel beneath the oak tree. Suddenly, his shovel hit something hard. With great excitement, he uncovered a rusty chest. It was the long-lost treasure. Opening the chest, Tim discovered sparkling gems, golden coins, and a handwritten note. The note revealed that the treasure belonged to a kind-hearted pirate who wanted to spread joy to children. With a heart full of gratitude, Tim shared the treasure with his friends in the village. They used the coins to build a playground, and the gems were made into beautiful jewelry for the village folk. From that day forward, the village became a place of laughter, happiness, and adventure. Tim's discovery had brought everyone together, teaching them the value of sharing and the joy of friendship. And so, the legend of Tim's treasure lived on, reminding children to follow their dreams and treasure the joy of discovery.
If you want to make videos like these, then hit the subscribe button, as we will be coming up with a video demonstrating the detailed steps to make similar animated videos for free.